Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sulaiman Abdul Kadir, and me and my friend will construct a music rhythmic flashlight for our assignment for this subject, which is advanced electric current. So, what do we know about music rhythmic flashlight? Music rhythmic flashlight is a circuit that consists of a few components that is used to complete this circuit, which is we will use one condenser mic, 5 NPN resistor which is BC547, 2 resistors of 10 kilo ohm, 4 resistor of 1 kilo ohm, and 1 resistor of 1 mega ohm, 1 ceramic capacitor 100 nanofarad, 4 LEDs, 9 volt battery, and a breadboard and connecting wires. So what do we know about music rhythmic flashlight? Okay, so music rhythmic flashlight, this circuit will work when the LED turns on according to the music beats, where it pick up high intensity sounds like the bass sound. So when we transmit a sound through the mic, it will light up the LED, and after this I will explain about how it works. Okay, the LED will flash according to music, and the circuit is based on transistor BC547. Okay, so now I'm going to explain on how this circuit work. How does music rhythmic flashlight work? Okay, in this circuit, in this music rhythmic flashlight, the condenser mic will pick up the sound signal and change it into voltage signal. Okay, then the signal will pass to high pass filter, which is the R2 and C1 in the circuit, which my friend will explain more later during his part. And this high pass filter is used to eliminate the noise from the sound. Okay, next, a NPN transistor, which is the Q1 of BC547, is used to amplify the signal from the high pass filter. Finally, this music signal will be given to the 4 other transistor, and the 4 transistor will work as the amplifier and will help to glow or to flash up to light up the 4 LED according to the sound pattern. Okay, so in order for us to change the sound sensitivity, the mic sensitivity, we can change the value of R2 and C1 using the formula of 1 over 2 pi RC. The F is the cut-off frequency. So we know that cut-off frequency, the filter will only allow frequency that more than F to pass through it and are worked. Okay, so we can say that the more value of RC, lesser cut-off frequency, and the mic will be more sensitive than before. Lastly, before I end my part, there's 2 things that is important for us to take into account when we construct this circuit. Firstly, we have to know that the condenser mic must be connected to the circuit according to its polarity, which means that there will be 3 soldering lines at the mic terminal. So the one that has 3 soldering line, it will be the negative terminal. So from there we will know the polarity of the mic lah. Lastly, the transistor BC547 is an NPN transistor, so it will use as amplifier in the circuit. So we know that with the use of BC547, we can use it to amplify the sound that go through the circuit. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. Today I will construct the circuit based on my own group project. So our project, which is we construct the the music rhythm LED flashlight. So let's start.
Okay. First we use the resistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor. Okay. We put the all resistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor. Okay. We setting 1 kilo ohm. Okay. Now the resistor we make the one resistor into the positive polarity of the circuit. Now we connect the resistor into the capacitor, 100 nanofarad. This is ceramic capacitor, doesn't have polarity. Okay. Now we put a transistor DC 547. This used to receiving the data. And the base of the transistor we connect into the resistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor. Right. And then we put the LED, light emitting diode. We can use many color, red, blue or red, what color you like. Okay. Then we use another transistor, same 547 DC 547. Then we connect to the LED. The negative polarity we connect to the transistor. Right, same as before. Connect the another LED into a transistor. We use we use LED. The lighting will be more colorful. Alright. Now we put 1K resistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor. The resistor is used to limit the current on the circuit, right? Then we connect the resistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor into the transistor. Right. We change all the resistor into 1 kilo ohm. Then we short all the base, transistor base. We short all the resistor base. Right, like this. We short all this. then we connect the resistor to ground or negative polarity to the ground. And we place a right, this is negative. Now after that we put a microphone to receive sound wave, send sound waves into electric signal. Then we put music like that. Then we put a power supply 9 volt based on battery 9 volt. Alright, we must put the battery at the correct polarity. Now we can see that LED now lighting based on music produce wave. The microphone transfer wave and change the wave into electric signal and make the LED to lighting. Now we use a oscilloscope to measure the wave that music output wave. As you can see, now we stimulate. Look at this. Alright, that's all the step by step. Nice.
Okay, so here we go.
Okay, that's all for me. Step by
After
step.
we simulate,
Thank you.
the waveform will be produced like this. Okay, so in this software, the intensity of the light of the LED we cannot to show you how LED will be light up follow to the music, because it can only light up only on this software. So we can show the LED will be follow the music rhythm, because the software only turn on the LED only, but we will be give you the proof that the waveform will be produced like this after we'll simulate and play the music. Okay, that's all.
Hi guys, I'm going to discuss about music rhythm flashlight. So, as expected, the flashlight will light out in tune with the sounds beats. Like, okay, let's see.
Tes. Andai rembulan tidak lagi.
Like I said, it's working. There is a few precautions in these experiments. One of it is we have to make sure the polarity of the LED placed on the right position for current to flow through it, to be able to flow through it. Okay, other than that, a suitable resistor must be placed to make sure the LED will not blow up due to the overflow current. Besides, in transistor, we need to identify the collector, base and emitter to place it on the circuit to suit other components. Okay guys, now I will talk about the thing that we can improve in our project. One of it, we can increase the sensitivity to catch the sound in low frequency, such as ghost sounds. We also can add more LED lights to make it more interesting. A mic with high intensity to detect sounds better.
Hey guys! As all we know, the aim of this project is to develop a rating, how the processing function, and the audio file playback. So, me and my team has learned about this project is instigated in such a way that the light LED is glowed according to the music. The following light can be achieved by this system. This system uses a microphone which the audio input speak up and amplify. Then this amplified signal triggers the sequence of LED through an dimming circuit. Hence, the flashing of LED is timed when an audio input is constantly changing its beat. So, a beautiful scenario of the changing LED can be viewed with the changing beat of music. Additionally, if you want to change your circuit to use high power lamp, you can use trias and oscillator. Last but not least, I want to thank you to my lecturers, Zazra and Zakaria, and my fellow friends. Thank you.